Students, physics alternating current class 6, in which we are going to solve some problems from K.S. Ganier book, and these problems are unsolved problems and there are so many solved problems, so you go through these solved problems. Okay, so now first problem. A series resonant circuit has a bandwidth of 3000 Hz and a resonance frequency of 2000 Hz. Calculate the quality factor. Okay. So what are the things they have given? Bandwidth is equal to 3000 Hz and resonance frequency F naught is equal to 2000 Hz. Okay. We know the relation between quality factor and bandwidth, that is, quality factor is inversely proportional to bandwidth, or it is equal to resonance frequency divided by bandwidth. So therefore quality factor is equal to F naught divided by bandwidth. They given F naught 2000 Hz, substitute here, and bandwidth they have already given 3000 Hz, so it is here. So 2 by 3, it is equal to 0.666. Okay. Next problem. An inductor of 0.5 Henry, a capacitor of 10 microfarad and a resistor of 50 ohm are connected in series across a 50 Hz AC source. Calculate the impedance of the circuit. Okay. So now this is the LCR series circuit. We are going to calculate the impedance, that is Z is equal to square root of R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C bracket square. So this thing is the impedance. So what are the things they have given? Inductance value L is equal to 0.5 Henry. Capacitance value C is equal to 10 microfarad. And resistance R is equal to 50 ohm. They have given one more thing, that is frequency of AC F is equal to 50 Hz. Okay. So now, dear students, instead of solving directly this relation, we first solve omega L and 1 by omega C in order to make a simplification. Okay. So therefore, inductive reactance is equal to omega into L, where omega is the 2 pi f into L. Substitute the values. 2 pi value 3.142, frequency F 50, inductance L 0.5 Henry. So if you calculate, it is found to be 157 ohm. Similarly, capacitive reactance is equal to 1 by omega C, that it is equal to 1 by 2 pi f into C. Substitute the values. Here C they have given 10 microfarad, so micro in the sense 10 raised to minus 6. We taken here 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 to 3.142 pi value, and f is given 50 Hz, that is f is equal to 50. Substitute all these things and find the value. It is found that 0.0003182 into 10 raised to 6, that it is equal to 318 ohm. So dear students, we got omega L and 1 by omega C values. Then substitute in the impedance relation, that is Z is equal to square root of R square plus into bracket omega L minus 1 by omega C bracket square. So this is equal to R value 50 ohms square plus omega L value 157 minus 1 by omega C value 318, its square. Now when you simplify these things, 2500 plus 2000 25,921. Add these and find the square root of it. It is found to be 168.58 ohm is the impedance of the LCR series circuit. Okay, then we will look into another problem. Third problem, an AC circuit containing a resistance of 300 ohm, an inductance of 0.2 Henry and a capacitor of 5 microfarad in series. Calculate the resonant frequency and quality factor. So the things they have given: R is equal to 300 ohm, L is equal to 0.2 Henry and C is equal to 5 microfarad. Now we know that resonant frequency F naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of L into C. Just to substitute the values of L and C here and pi value, that is 2 into 3.142 into square root of L value 0.2 Henry into capacitance value 5 microfarad. So it is 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now just simplify this. It is found that 1 by 6.284 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it is equal to 0.159 into 10 raised to 3. So it is equal to 159 Hertz. So therefore resonant frequency F naught is equal to 159 Hertz. Now quality factor. So there are three relations to find the quality factor, in which we taken quality factor Q is equal to omega naught into L divided by R. Dear students, here while deriving the relation, we took this relation from that derivation. Q is equal to omega naught L divided by R. So therefore it is equal to omega, already we know the value 2 pi f, so it is F naught into L divided by R. So therefore substitute 2 into 3.142 into F naught, we just found 159, and L, it is inductance value, it is 0.2 Henry divided by, it is R. So R is given 300 ohms. So it is found to be 0.666. Okay, so the students, some remaining problems we will solve in the next class, but before I give you one homework, one problem. An AC source of EMF 220 volts and 50 Hertz is connected to a circuit containing R, L and C in series. Find the impedance and phase. You have to find the impedance and phase. So dear students, in today's class we solved how to find impedance. So you have to find the extended part of phase. Okay, it's a simple one. Now you solve this problem and take a photo of it and upload it in the Google Classroom. It's an assignment now. Okay, you have to do it. Everyone have to solve this problem. If you find a difficulty, you go through the previous problems. There you will find the solution for it, and even if you want to find the phase, so you go through the notes. There is a formula or relation for it. You go and find it and resolve the problems. Okay, so be careful, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.